Students, in this lecture, I will explain the properties of multiplication and properties of division. Now, properties of multiplication. First property, closure property of multiplication. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A into B is also a rational number. For example, let two rational numbers are 1/2 and 1/3. 1/2 into 1/3 is equal to 1/6, which is a rational number. Hence, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Second property, commutative property of multiplication. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. This is commutative property of multiplication. For example, 1/2 into 1/3 is equal to 1/6, and 1/3 into 1/2 is equal to 1/6. Here the product are same to same. Therefore, 1/2 into 1/3 is equal to 1/3 into 1/2. Hence, rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Now, third property is the associative property of multiplication. Three rational numbers can be multiplied in any order to find their product. If A, B, and C are three rational numbers, then A into in bracket B into C bracket closed is equal to in bracket A into B bracket closed into C. For example, let three rational numbers are 1/2, 1/3 and 1/4. Then 1/2 into in bracket 1/3 into 1/4 bracket closed is equal to 1/2 into, when we multiply this, 1 1 ja 1 and 3 4 ja 12, 1/12 gives 1/24. Now in bracket 1/2 into 1/3 bracket closed into 1/4 is equal to 1 1 ja 1 and 2 3 ja 6, 1/6 into 1/4 is equal to 1 1 ja 1 and 6 4 ja 24, 1/24. Here product are same to same. Therefore, 1/2 into in bracket 1/3 into 1/4 bracket closed is equal to in bracket 1/2 into 1/3 bracket closed into 1/4. Hence, rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Fourth property, multiplicative identity. When we multiply a rational number by 1, we get the same number. Means A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A, where A is a rational number. For example, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, -2 into 1 is equal to -2, -4/5 into 1 is equal to -4/5. Means when we multiply these rational numbers by 1, we get the same rational number. Thus, 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. Fifth property is multiplicative inverse. It means by which number should a rational number be multiplied to get the product 1. Let P upon Q is a rational number. Then P upon Q multiplied by Q upon P is equal to 1. Therefore, Q upon P is called multiplicative inverse of P upon Q. The important point of this topic is multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Second point, 1 and -1 are their own reciprocals. Third point is multiplicative inverse of A is equal to 1 upon A. Now, sixth property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into in bracket B plus C bracket closed is equal to in bracket A into B bracket closed plus in another bracket A into C bracket closed. Seventh property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A into in bracket B minus C is equal to in bracket A into B bracket closed minus A into C. This. Now, properties of division. First property, closure property of division. Rational numbers are not closed under division. If A is a rational number, then 0 divided by A is equal to 0. But A divided by 0 is not defined. As you know, the reciprocal of 0 is not allowed. So it is not defined. For example, 0 divided by 13 upon 21 is equal to 0. But 13 upon 21 divided by 0 is not defined. Hence, rational numbers are not closed under division. Second property is commutative property of division. Rational numbers are not commutative under division. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. For example, 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 1. Gives 3 1 is 3 and 2 1 is 2. 3 by 2. Now, 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 2 upon 1. 2 1 is 2 upon 3 1 is 3. 2 upon 3. Here, results are not same to same. Therefore, 1 by 2 divided by 1 upon 3 is not equal to 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 2. Hence, division is not commutative for rational numbers. Third property is associative property of division. Division is not associative for rational numbers. If A, B and C are three rational numbers, then A divided by in bracket B divided by C bracket closed is not equal to in bracket A divided by B bracket closed divided by C. For example, let 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 are three rational numbers. Then 1 upon 2 divided by in bracket 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4 bracket closed is equal to 1 by 2 divided by in bracket 1 upon 3 into 4 by 1 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by 4 1 is 4, 3, 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 into reciprocal of 4 upon 3, 3 by 4 gives 3 upon 8, 2 4 8. And in bracket 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 bracket closed divided by 1 upon 4 is equal to in bracket 1 upon 2 into 3 upon 1 for this bracket divided by 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 by 2 into 4 upon 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6 is equal to 6. Here the result is not same to same. Therefore, 1 by 2 divided by in bracket 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4 bracket closed is not equal to in bracket 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 bracket closed divided by 1 upon 4. Hence, division is not associative for rational numbers. Now, let us practice 1.2. First question. In this question, identify the properties used in each of the following. First part is 8 by 11 into minus 3 upon 5 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 into 8 upon 11. We have to identify the property which are used. As you know, properties of multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. This is commutative property of multiplication for rational numbers. Second part, minus 2 by 7 in bracket 4 upon 3 into 2 by 8 bracket closed is equal to in bracket minus 2 upon 7 into 4 upon 3 bracket closed into 2 by 8. Here A into in bracket B into C is equal to in bracket A into B bracket closed into C, means associative property of multiplication for rational numbers are used. Third part is 3 upon 4 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. This is multiplicative identity for rational numbers. As you know, in multiplication 1 is the multiplicative identity. And fourth part is 9 upon 11 into in bracket 3 upon 4 minus 2 by 6 bracket closed is equal to in bracket 9 upon 11 into 3 by 4 bracket closed minus in another bracket 9 upon 11 into 2 by 6 bracket closed. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction for rational numbers. Second question, for each of the following verify the closure property and commutative property of multiplication. A part 2 upon 5 3 upon 7. For verification of closure property of multiplication, 2 upon 5 into 3 by 7 is equal to 2 into 3 whole upon 5 into 7 is equal to 2 3 is 6 and 5 7 is 35, 6 upon 35, which is a rational number. Thus closure property of multiplication is verified. For associative property of multiplication, as you know, A into B is equal to B into A. Here 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 is equal to 2 3 is 6 and 7 5 is 35, 6 upon 35, and 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 2 is 6 and 7 5 is 35, 6 upon 35. Here product are same to same. Therefore 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7 is equal to this one, 3 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. Thus associative property of multiplication is verified. Now question number 4. Write multiplicative inverse of each of the following rational numbers. A part 2 upon 7. As you know, multiplicative inverse of A is 1 upon A. Therefore, multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 by 7 is equal to 7 by 2. This is answer. D part minus 4 upon minus 9. This rational number can also be written as like this one. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. We get minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4 and minus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 9. 4 upon 9. Therefore, the multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 4 upon 9 is equal to 9 upon 4. This is multiplicative inverse of minus 4 upon minus 9. Now, question number 6. Add minus 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse. Here the given rational number is minus 2 upon 5. The multiplicative inverse of minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus 5 by 2. According to question, we have to add the multiplicative inverse and the given rational number. The given rational number is minus 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse is this, is equal to LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10 and 2 2 is 4, minus 4, plus 2 5 is 10 and 5 5 is 25, minus 25 is equal to minus 29 by 10. This is answer. Now question number 11. Using suitable properties of rational number, we have to evaluate the following parts. A part 3 upon 14 into minus 5 by 9 into minus 21 upon 10 into 4 upon minus 3 is equal to, by using associative property, 3 upon 14 in bracket 3 upon 14 into minus 5 by 9 bracket closed into in another bracket minus 21 by 10 into 4 upon minus 3 bracket closed. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 minus 5 upon 42 into this one 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10, 7 2 ja 14 minus 4 minus, here numerator is minus, denominator is also minus, therefore plus 7 2 ja 14 upon 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 divided 7 2 ja 14 and 7 6 ja 42, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. This is the answer. C part, minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 4 plus minus 3 by 2 into minus 7 upon 6. Here minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 can be taken as common. Minus 3 by 2 in bracket 5 by 4, the remaining rational number is this one, plus, and this rational number can be taken as common, the remaining rational number is this one. Minus 3 by 2 LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, 4 3 ja 12 and 3 5 ja 15, plus 7 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, sorry 6 2 ja 12 and 2 7 ja 14, minus 14 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 1 upon 12. We have to divide it. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12. 1 1 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8, minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. Now question number 12. Use the distributivity of multiplication of rational numbers over addition to simplify the following. A part, 3 upon 5 into in bracket 35 upon 24 plus 10 by 1 bracket closed. By the use of distributivity of multiplication over addition is equal to 3 upon 5 into 35 upon 24 plus 3 upon 5 multiplied by this one, and we have to divide it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 7 upon 8 plus 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6, 6 by 1. LCM of 8 and 1 is 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 1 7 ja 7 plus 1 8 ja 8 and 8 6 ja 48. 7 plus 48 gives 55 upon 8. This is answer. Now question number 13. The additive inverse of x is the same as the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 7. Find the value of x. Multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 3. Additive inverse of x is equal to minus x. But according to question, multiplicative inverse and additive inverse are same to same. Therefore, minus x is equal to this one. And we have to multiply LHS and RHS by minus 1. We get minus x into minus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. It means x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. This is answer. Now, question number 16 is 333 whole 1 upon 3, the multiplicative inverse of 0.003. Yes, 333 whole 1 upon 3 is the multiplicative inverse of 0.003 because 333 whole 1 upon 3 into 0.003 is equal to this one, 1000 upon 3 into 3 upon 1000. We have to divide this one. They have cancelled out and gives 1. Since their product is 1, therefore this statement is true. The questions which are circled are given as homework. and you have to do it in your copy.